Please describe your daily routine in your job.
Okay. Araw-araw, nagpe-prepare ako ng lesson plan, nagtuturo ng activities, tapos dinedemonstrate ko sa mga estudyante ang mga skills.
Next, what do you find most rewarding and enjoyable about your job?
Okay, pinakamasayang makita ang mga estudyante na nag-i-improve at nagiging confident sila.
What do you find the least enjoyable part of your job?
Okay, pinaka-least enjoyable ay yung paggawa ng mga paperworks at i-manage ang buong klase.
What knowledge do you think is most essential to possess in your job?
Kaya importante ang kaalaman sa motor skills, safety, at tamang teaching strategies.
And how much of a role does the teaching of motor skills play in your job?
Okay, malaki ang role ng pagtuturo ng motor skills kasi halos lahat ng activities ay may movement skills.
And what knowledge concerning the teacher of skills do you think is the most for someone in your position?
Okay, dapat marunong mag-explain ng maayos, mag-demo, at magbigay ng feedback sa mga learners.
Next, for a current student of motor learning, what do you think is the most important information for me to acquire?
Pinaka-importanting matutunan kung paano makatutulong ang practice at feedback sa mga para ma-improve ang mga skills.